Big day for you guys. So today, what you doing?
Nothing.
You playing?
Yeah.
So guys, I have a big announcement today. I'm gonna dye my hair, guys. It's official. I didn't dye it yet. How come it looks red? I don't know. Mine is normal. Mine is black. But I have a huge announcement right now. Guys, I presented you Lily, our new dog. Just kidding. Hello, hey. Hey, you. Hello. Lily. She doesn't even know. She's a couple months old. I'm not sure. Probably like 4 months old. Not bad as a dog, but she's pretty tiny. We're over here chilling. She's not used to us, but she's used to me. Cause right now we were literally like over there, but there's space down there. So I kept making her come towards me. Not like making her, but like she wanted to come. Like she's used to me now. She's used to it. She used to me. But she needs to get used to him. Fat Chucks. And also, here my dad. So, see you guys, and peace.